Hi everybody, it's Maria from the Wood County District Public Library. I'm really happy to be with you today. I'm at home, and I know that you're at home. We're on the computer, and did you know that there are a lot of wonderful books available to you on the computer from the Wood County District Public Library? That's right, books from Hoopla and Tumble Books and Libby Overdrive. There's just so many books available on different platforms, and we want to make sure that you're investigating what your resources are from the Wood County District Public Library. So I would love to share a book with you today from Hoopla, and it is available from the Wood County District Public Library on Hoopla, and the title of the book is A Bear Sat on My Porch Today. This book we have permission from Chronicle Books to share with you today. The story is by Jane Yolen, who's my friend, and she came to the Wood County District Public Library to visit us and do a presentation. The art for A Bear Sat on My Porch Today is by Rilla Alexander. I like these pictures a lot. I think you will too. I hope you like to draw. I hope you also like bears. I'm also wondering if you've seen any bears sitting on porches. I'm wondering if you've seen any bears sitting in windows. There's a bear sitting on the porch with a dog. This is my friend Kevin's porch. And we are doing a program at the Wood County District Public Library called WCDPL Bear Hug. In this together, Ohio. So when you put your bear in a window or put your bear on a porch, we would love for you to tag it with WCDPL Bear Hug in this together, Ohio. And you can get more information about this program at the Wood County District Public Library's website, where you'll find these books, like A Bear Sat on My Porch Today. Let's read this together. There's the bear. Going on a bear hunt. Maybe you'll be doing that, looking for bears on windows and bears on porches. There's the bear on the porch. A bear sat on my porch today and wanted to stay and wanted to stay. A bear sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. Hi, bear. What should I do? Boo, shoo!
Growl. No, I won't go.
Okay, you can stay. Just don't scare my mommy. A squirrel sat on my porch today, his fur all gray, shaggy and gray. What should I do? Boo, shoo! A nut and a seed is what I need. Okay, you can stay. Only get away from the feeders. A squirrel sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A skunk sat on my porch today and started to spray and started to spray. Pew, pew, boo, shoo! Just some perfume to clear the room. Okay, you can stay. Though you definitely cannot come into the house. A skunk sat on my porch today and would not go away. A possum sat on my porch today and started to play and started to play. A possum sat on my porch today. Boo, shoo! What should I do? Play dead, or sing instead. Okay, you can stay. Just don't squeak too loudly. She brought her family, 8 in all, a passel of possums. Oh, what a sprawl! A raccoon sat on my porch today and wanted to play and wanted to play. What should I do? Boo, shoo! Glad you ask. Grab a mask. Okay, you can stay. Just don't wake the babies. That raccoon sat on my porch today. He just wouldn't go away. A moose sat on my porch today. The porch began to shift and sway. What should I do? Boo, shoo! It may seem absurd, but you're my new herd. Okay, okay, you can stay, but 1 meal a day is all you get. A moose sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. A jay sat on my porch today, a bright blue jay, a loud-mouthed jay. Boo, shoo, what should I do? Squawk, squawk, no rough talk. A jay sat on my porch today and wouldn't go away. Wait! Look out! Crash! Smash! Oh, help! Okay. Bear grabbed a broom, squirrel a pail, skunk carted over a hammer and nail, possum brought wood from barn and shed, raccoon splashed paint green and red, moose gave the floorboards a very good shine, and then it was time for us to dine. So I made a lunch for my hard-working bunch, except, of course, that loud-mouthed jay, 'cause he'd already flown away. Goodbye! Goodbye, Mr. Jay! We're awfully sorry you didn't stay. Well, I'm not sorry to see him go. He left an awful mess, you know. Bye! Yum! Bye, bye, bye! Bye, bye, bye! All those animals, everybody welcome. Well, we want everybody to check out the Wood County District Public Library, where you can, at wcdpl.org, discover Tumble Books and all kinds of other e-media, including Hoopla, which is where we found a bear sat on our porch today. Flipster is also where you can get a lot of movies. Tumble Books for kids, Tumble Book Library for all ages, and the Ohio Digital Library. That's also got an app like many of these, and that's the Libby Overdrive app. So there's lots of information for all of you and lots of good books to check out from and stream from your Wood County District Public Library. We definitely want you participating in our Bear Hunt project, the Bear Hug Project, WCDPL Bear Hug Project. So check this out and put a bear in your window or on your porch, and maybe also do a coloring page and find out a lot about other information about talking about what's going on in our community as well as in our world. So you'll find Wood County right there in the state of Ohio. So we want to give everybody a great big virtual bear hug, and we want to give you the opportunity to safely walk around your community and from some safe social distance be able to look into, see if other people are putting up bears or what they love in their community. What are some things that you are really enjoying in your world right now? Because I'm enjoying ebooks, that's for sure. I love ebooks. So, and I am crazy about all of you and really am thinking about you and wanting to make sure that you are all finding lots of good things from your library website, WCDPL. I'll be in touch. Let's be in touch. Thank you and take care.